I thought it would be nice to invite you for a few minutes into my studio because I've got lots of exciting things on the boil and really wanted to share them. So in May, my gorgeous art friend Caroline and I are having a duo show, and I'm getting some work ready for that. So luckily Caroline is also a psychotherapist and extremely good with words, so she can say it better than me. But the show is about real and real bodies. It's called Get Real. And so this is one of the new pieces that I will be showing. For me, it's also about similarity and difference. So I'm just waiting for the frames to arrive. This is Hef and Kira, who are Crocky Cafe models. So I really recommend Crocky Cafe. They're fantastic. They're on Vimeo if you're needing some life drawing references to supplement the Zoom life drawing. And I'm also going to be editioning this. So this is a lino cut. It's quite big, as you can see. I've got 2 prints of it so far, so it's going to be a very small edition of 10. There's one. And I'm now going to swing the camera around and show you. I've got, right, here we go. So blank canvas, ta-da! So that's for a commission, that won't be in the show. I'm very excited about starting that. And here we go. So this is Cheryl, and I have honestly never varnished anything as big as this. And so I thought, as well as what I've just shown you, it might be fun to show you the first bits of varnish going on. So I'm going to get the varnish out right now. Here we are. This is Damar Retouching Varnish. And there's nothing, I believe, particularly magic to it. So I will get going and just talk a little bit about the painting process with Cheryl. So Cheryl used to be a life model, and at the point when we met, she was, look at the way it brings out those colours. I'm so pleased. I was worried it was a bit chalky, but actually once it's got the varnish on it, you can see it's not too bad at all. It's got much more richness. So Cheryl here, when we met, was just at the end of a course of, she had a mastectomy and a course of radiotherapy, chemotherapy. I'm not an expert on the medical side, but I know from close family that it is no walk in the park. And Cheryl had a history of life modelling, and was we were introduced by a mutual friend, and I was very keen to look for interesting subjects, and we just hit it off basically. So Cheryl came for several sittings or lyings, and we started with some pencil and sketches as we got to know each other, and then we progressed to this, which is the most ambitious oil painting I've ever done. Not just you know, physically, but also what I'm really excited about with the work that I'm showing in this exhibition is it's much more motivated by my own personal you know, feelings and inspiration and things that I'm really actually interested in around bodies and self-image and the reflection of the self. And I think Cheryl had her own overlapping interests, and I don't want to speak for her, but basically I think we both went on a journey together. I went on a journey as much technical as emotional, and it was yeah, just brilliant. So I'm so happy with this work, and really excited to be putting the finishing varnish on it and getting it ready to show at the Heart of the Tribe gallery. This is, you can see that lovely, rich, reflective and warm colours, the way the varnish brings the colour out. So super happy with that. Here is Cheryl in all her glory, varnished, and I'm delighted as well to say that I was stuck for a name for this painting, and Cheryl, genius that she is, has come up with a fabulous name, which I really feel it's best that it comes from her, because it's for Cheryl to name how she was feeling as she was lying here in my studio being painted, and I hope we'll be back when we're allowed. So Cheryl has come up with Defiance, which is I think is brilliant because it encapsulates strength and beauty. So we are both really happy with where we got to with this project and excited about what else we can do around cataloguing Cheryl's experiences and just enjoying our friendship and getting to know each other. So that's one brilliant thing, and then just very excited as well about the show and about just getting some work out there that comes from my own heart. So I hope everybody who's getting ready to go out into the world and show their work, look at work, go out to the pub, I hope you're all feeling wonderful and excited, and yeah, we're all, I think there's a lot of ambivalence around, and so I'm just trying to channel my excitement and just be happy. So I wish you all a wonderful coming out.